Namaste. Myself, Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is conduct and etiquette. It has some norms of conduct terms, ethics. Ethics deal with the principle of morality. The ethics have been the laid down and the followed by the student and practitioner. The doctor is derived from the Latin word doxi, which means to teach. The doctor has function of the instructing the patient and relatives regarding the treatment. Medicine as a profession is an art with a philosophy, professional ethics and code of ethics, regulation in the exercise of the power confirmed by the clause first and section 333 read with the section 24 of the Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973. The Central Council of Homeopathy with the previous sanction of the central government makes the regulation. These regulations may be called the Homeopathy Practitioner Professional Conduct Advocate and Code of Ethics Regulation 1982. There is a Hahnemann oath like uh, Hahnemann given the oath to all practitioner of homeopathy. That is, on my honor, I swear that I will practice the teaching of homeopathy, perform my duty, render justice of the my patients, and help the sick comes to the treatment. May the teaching of the Master Hahnemann inspire me, and may I have the strength for the fulfillment of my mission. That means I cure my all the patient from the disease as a whole, and according to rules and regulation of homeopathy. Declaration and oath of physician. At the time of registration, each applicant shall be uh, submit the some declaration and oath and signed by him to the registrar consent, attested the registrar himself or by the registered homeopathic practitioner of homeopathy. I solemnly pledge to myself, concern and life to the service to humanity. Even under threat, I will not use my medicinal knowledge contrary to the law of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect of human life. I will not permit the consideration of religion, nationality, race, political beliefs, and social standing of intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my professional with the concise and dignity according to principle of homeopathy. The health of my patients shall be first priority in my practice. I will respect the secret which are confined to between me and my patient. I will give my teacher to respect and gratitude. I will maintain the power of the honor and noble tradition of the medicinal profession. My colleague will be my brother and sisters. I make the promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Practitioner responsibilities. What are the practitioner responsibilities here? Let's explain. A practitioner of homeopathy shall merit the confidence of the patient and, and trust of his care, rendering of the each full measures of service and devotion. The honored ideal or the medical professional imply that the responsibilities of the practitioner of homeopathy extend not only a individuals but also a entire society. General principles. Character of the medical practitioner. The primary object of the medicinal professional is to the render service of humanity with the full respect for the dignity of a man. Financial reward is a subordinate consideration, whose where the choose the profession assumes the obligation to conduct himself or accordance with its deal. A practitioner of homeopathy shall be upright man, instructed in the art of healing. He shall keep himself pure and character of the Diligent in the caring for the his shall be modest, sober, patient, and promote and do his duty without anxiety. Duties of homeopathy practitioner to their patient. Obligation to the sick through the practitioner of homeopathy is not bound to treat each one asking for his service except in emergency. He shall, for the sake of humanity and noble tradition of the profession, not only to be ever ready to respond to the call of the sick and the injured, but shall be mindful, high character of his mission and the responsibility incur his discharge of his professional duty, patient not to be neglected. A practitioner of homeopathy is free to choose whom he will serve, provided he shall respond to many requests to his assistant in an emergency. Once having the undertaken a case, practitioner of homeopathy shall not neglect the patient, nor shall be withdraw from his case without giving notice to the patient, his relative, or his responsible friend sufficiently long in advance of his withdrawal to allow them to secure another practitioner. Termination of service. The various reasons for his withdrawal. Let's explain. Where the finds another practitioner is attendance, where the remedies other than those practiced by him or being used, where his remedy and instruction are refused, where the convince the illness is imposture, that he is being made a party or a false pretense, where the patient persists the use of opium, alcohol, and similar intoxicating drugs, where the complete information concerning the fact and circumstances in case of not supplied by the patient or his relative. The discovery that the malady of incurable is no excuse to discontinue attendance so long as a patient desires his service. Acts of negligence. No practitioner of homeopathy shall willfully commit the act of negligence that may deprive his patient of necessary medical care. A practitioner of homeopathy is expected to render that dignity and skill in the services as it would be expected to another practitioner of homeopathy. His acts of commission or omission shall not be judged by any non-homeopathic standard of professional services. A practitioner of homeopathy shall be any drug prepared according to homeopathy principle and adopt any other necessary measures as required. Behavior towards the patients. The practitioner of homeopathy towards his patient shall always be conscious, sympathetic, friendly, and helpful. Every patient shall be treated with attention and consideration. Visits. A practitioner of homeopathy shall to order the comfort to stick by the making his visit at the hour indicated to the patient. Prognosis. The practitioner of homeopathy shall neither exaggerate or nor minimize the gravity of a patient's condition. He shall ensure the patient, his relative, and responsible friend should have knowledge of the patient's condition. In case of dangerous manifestation, he shall not fail to give timely notice or family or friends to the patient and to the patient when necessary. Patient's delicacy and secrecy. The patient's delicacy shall characterize the attitude of a practitioner homeopathy. Confidence, concern, individual or domestic life entrusted by the patient to a practitioner, and the defects, the disposition of character of the patient observed during the medical attendance shall be not be relayed by him or anyone else unless duties of practitioner to the professional. Uploading the honor of professional practitioner of homeopathy shall all time the upload the dignity and honor of this profession. Membership of medical society for the advancement of his professions and practitioner of homeopathy may affiliate himself with the medical societies and contribute his time, energy, means of progress so that they may be better represent and promote the ideal of professional. In this In this video we have studied the ethics and oath and duties of homeopathy practitioner. I hope you all understand this topic. Namaste. Thank you.